Cops' interaction with drivers and bikers can be really interesting to watch and even to learn from it. So let's hop in today's episode of When Cops Are on Time. Red truck was speeding, but little he knows police was close to him, and after a couple of minutes they pulled him over. Here in this situation we have one scary crash, caught on security camera. See it by yourself and then I want you to comment down below what do you think about it. In this footage we have an impatient driver who gets himself in bad spot in traffic. Then he even makes one accident while he tries to reverse so this truck could make his turn.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Here guys, in this situation we have a drunk truck driver who will have chance to meet and see the full glory of an instant karma. I suggest you highly to watch fully this situation so you could understand what's happening here. Police, while searching his truck, found illegal substances, and then at the end they arrested him. Here in this situation we have a rider that's pulled over for going 150 miles per hour on his Ninja's 400. As I am familiar, this was his first interaction with police while being a rider.
Look, I'm normal, bruh.
Step off the bike.
Okay, do you want me to turn off?
Step off the bike.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hey.
Step off, man. Step back here.
Okay.
How come we going 115 miles an hour?
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
I am.
How come we waited till this far to stop?
I didn't see you behind me.
You didn't?
I did not.
You hit your brakes as I come out.
I hit my brakes to tell you that I saw you. I did. I clicked my brakes when I saw you break your lights over on the intersection to tell you that I saw you.
So you continue to come in across state lines.
I didn't think you were gonna.
You didn't think I was gonna follow you?
No, I did not. 100%.
So you ran across state lines thinking I wasn't going to come get you, right?
No, I was gonna keep going. I was gonna slow down. I'm just trying to get home. I live in St. Augustine. I got you. Can I take off my gloves?
Yep.
Can I put them on the top of your car?
Yep.
Okay.
Is 1076?
Take off my backpack.
Okay.
My license.
I really hope that you enjoyed this episode, and if you think that you saw all, let me assure you that you didn't. So I highly suggest you to watch this one.